The Lioness and the Young Jackal. Once, a lion couple lived in a thick forest. Both of them were good-natured. They were full of mercy for small animals. One day, the lioness bore 2 cubs. The lion said to her, "You should not go out to prey now, as you have to look after our cubs." So, the lioness stopped going out from that day to catch prey. One day, the lion, while searching for food in the forest, found a baby jackal. The lion thought, "It's below my dignity to kill such a small creature. I should take him home for the lioness." Reaching home, the lion said to the lioness, "I have brought this small creature for you." The lioness was a soft-hearted mother. She said, "This baby jackal is as tender as our cubs. Let it stay with us. It will grow and play with our cubs." The lion was happy to hear her. They started raising the jackal as their own son. The baby jackal played with the lion cubs and grew up gradually. One day, the baby jackal went into the deep forest with the lion cubs. There, they saw an elephant. When the lion cubs got ready to attack the elephant, the baby jackal stopped them and said, "Brothers, do not go near the huge creature. He will crush you under his feet," and ran away. The lion cubs followed him back, but they were amazed by their brother's cowardice. Reaching home, the cubs narrated the whole story to their mother. Hearing the story, the lioness burst into laughter. This made the jackal very angry. The young jackal was irritated. He abused his brothers in great anger and shouted, "You both think me to be a coward. Come out of the cave and I shall show you what I am." Hearing this, the lioness intervened and said, "My son, you are not inferior to any of the animals, but animals of your family do not prey on elephants." Startled at this, the young jackal said, "Mother, does it mean I'm not your son?" When the lioness heard these words, she knew immediately what to do. She said, "My son, what you said is true. You are a jackal and not a lion. Many years ago, I took pity on you and raised you among my cubs as my own son. But now that you talk of revenge, I must ask you to leave." The young jackal was terrified to know this truth. He immediately fled from the lion's cave into the deep forest to find his own clan and live among them. As soon as the jackal left, the lioness muttered, "The lion cubs are brave after all, while the jackals are always cowardly." Moral: one should always be in one's own company. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.